Are you ready? Let's go!
Welcome to day 2 of the Drone Expo and the conference. Here's what's stole the spotlights today. Let's go and explore.
Today at the exhibition, we have seen AR, VR, robotics, drones, and many other new devices. It has been a packed day giving solutions and watching real life action where drones and these technologies can be used.
Missed day 1 and day 2? Don't worry. Day 3 is your final chance to get the live action at Drone Expo and Conference 2025.
See you tomorrow.